Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix no sound playing after connecting your earbuds to your phone. The first thing you should do is to try to connect your earbuds to a different source. Like if you were trying to connect your earbuds to some phone, you need to try connecting them to a different phone or a laptop or a PC, everything that has Bluetooth, and check if you've got no sound there. If you have got no sound there, the issue is probably located in your earbuds. If you have sound normally and nothing is broken, your earbuds, your phone is at fault. So let's focus on your earbuds. If they are broken, you need to try charging them up to 100%. Of course, battery may be at fault because sound is. Speakers are based on battery, so you need to charge them up to 100% and check if it works. If it doesn't work, perform a factory reset. If you don't know how to perform a factory reset, check our channel because we've got many videos about our headphones, and you will find this on our channel also. And so when it comes to this video, that's it. Goodbye.